We have here Papinko. Say hello, little bud. Yes.
Yeah?
Okay. What am I?
I am murderer.
Oh my gosh! I'm gonna kill you now.
No! I'm innocent!
No.
I'm innocent.
We are only two people. We are only two. Just two. Murderer versus sheriff. Oh my gosh! Where are you?
Yeah, stop.
Where are you, Dom? Where are you, Papinka?
No, my name isn't Papi. It's Drake.
Okay. Whatever. Let's go. Let's go.
Cheetos!
Oh my god!
Murderer has won. Yes.
No.
Hell yeah! Let's pick some him. Hey,
Oh my gosh.
Let's pick hotel.
Hotel? Okay.
Oh wait!
House? House?
I need to tell you something.
What?
Come.
Where are you?
Come on the top.
Oh, there you go. Whoa, what the heck?
Go here. No!
That's fine, let's go. Come on!
Again. Hey, just
Hey.
fall down.
Oi.
Hey, just speak Tagalog.
No. No! I cannot move, guys. I cannot move.
Yo, door. Footstep. Get Presto. Yo, snip. So many money.
Oh yeah.
Yo, that's cheating. Wait, how to get it out? Hey, come on. I will say you the secret on the murder mystery.
Okay.
Come. Go here.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Press this.
What the heck? That's the owner of the murderer mystery too.
No, Nicholas is the owner of the murder mystery.
Susun niya. Where am I? No!
I am
Come
a
on.
murderer.
Oh my gosh.
To be sheriff.
Hey,
I
back
wanted
up.
to be sheriff. Can you this Uno reverse? Can you reverse this?
Skill issues.
I just wanted to be a rabbit. Oh shit!
Come on.
Come over. Hey, hospital! Oh no! Bang!
Back.
Do you think Filipino would? Do you think Filipino?
Please.
I don't want it to kill you. I wanted to be sheriff.
Yeah, murderer.
I'm sheriff.
A murderer.
Come on, girl.
Where are you? This is my favorite.
Wait,
one.
take it out. Beautiful. Bitch. Mouse. Oh no, I can't afford the seat. I cannot afford the seat. Come.
Oh, nah.
Hey.
Let's do powers.
I wanted to fix and I wanted to buy something.
I want this fake gun. Ah, sheriff.
I murdered. Hey, wait! I'm on a movie theater.
Hey.
Oh,
Look. 1, 2, 3, wins.
God.
Sheriff! Yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. You suck.
And you're a big bad shark.
Yeah. I'm always winning. Yeah. Oh, this one.
EFK. I'm going to EFK. Don't kill me when I'm EFK.
Yeah. Oh my gosh,
No.
I'm 10%.
You need to charge.
Yeah, I need to charge. Sheriff! It's sheriff time. Yeah, bruh. Yeah.
I am murder.
Yes, you're the mark.
Where are you?
I got a stitch up my shoe. Yes. Ooh. Wow. No!
You're a little jerk nerd.
Okay. Bye guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Brianna and I'm out. Peace.